Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the lead hand. Place the club across your fingers so the handle runs along the base of the index and into the palm crease. Once done, wrap your fingers around the grip while keeping the thumbs slightly right of center. This creates a V that points toward your trail shoulder at about 45 degrees to 60 degrees. Make sure pressure is light, about 4/10, so you control the club but allow wrist hinge for natural release later. You now add the trail hand. Place it so the lifeline covers the lead thumb and the fingers wrap down over the shaft and lead hand. Once positioned, rotate both thumbs slightly so the two V shapes align and point toward your trail shoulder. This links your hands into one unit. Make sure both palms face each other and your wrists stay neutral. Maintain a slightly firmer, but balanced 3/10 to 5/10 pressure to preserve feel and control through takeaway and transition. You finish by verifying the setup. The club face should sit square with both V-shapes aligned toward the trail shoulder, and your forearms should form a steady triangle with the chest while the arms hang naturally. Once done, test a short swing and notice feel. If wrists tense, ease grip pressure. If the ball slices, rotate both hands 1/4 turn stronger. If it hooks, 1/4 turn weaker. Make sure to recheck alignment and pressure before the next shot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.